Hey guys, it's Toolbox Tuesday, and I'm Tanya Smith. I'm here to share with you a 5-minute review of a tool that you can use to build your brand online. So today I want to share the Ripl app. It's R-I-P-L at ripl.com. This is a fantastic app, and since we're focusing on creating stories and using stories for our marketing lately, this is going to be one of my favorite apps to share with you right now. So the main function of the Ripl app is to create videos. It helps you to create really easy and quick videos to market your business or to market yourself as an entrepreneur or brand. The 3 benefits I will share with you with the Ripl app are: 1, it allows you to choose 3 different sizes. So you can choose the 16:9, you can choose the 9:16, so the popular vertical version, and now you can also choose the one-on-one or square version of your video. So you can create videos in all 3 sizes literally within seconds. It's also affordable. We know that there are a lot of different video creation tools out there, and many of them are not cost effective. Well, this one has excellent pricing. And then the 3rd benefit I will share with you is that this also is something that can be used across devices. I kind of had a little spat with one of the apps that I recently purchased because they didn't allow me to transfer or to switch between Android and iOS devices. This one, you don't have that problem. You can actually use Ripl on your desktop. You can use it on your Android or your iPhone. So right now I'm showing you the desktop version, and what you can actually see is that there are some daily inspiration nuggets at the very top. So depending on the day, it will show you, for instance, look, Transformation Tuesday. It will give you ideas for your next day and the day previously. It will give you these themes or templates that you can start from, and all you do is simply add your verbiage and change out the photos if you'd like. You can pick from your own personal photos, or you can pick from their free stock photos library. So an amazing tool. I hope that you'll take a look at Ripl at ripl.com, or look it up on your favorite device. Your iOS or your Android device will have the app available to you. It is a yearly subscription at the time of this recording, but you'll need to check the prices. And again, I promise you, it's definitely as affordable, if not more, than many of the video creation apps. See you next time for our Toolbox Tuesday with Tanya Smith. Make sure that you follow us right here so that you never miss a video, and also check us out for stories marketing, training, trending, and tips on Facebook at Tanya Smith Online.